When's your birthday Instagram change story? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So as you can see, I already added my when's your birthday story, so I'll show you how to do it too. So I will go out of here, and what you want to do is click on the search icon from the bottom of the page, and here you can search for Ali and John YTT, or you can go to the second one, and this is the original one. But if you go to my account, you will find that sticker much more easier because I only have a few stories added. So go to Ali and John YTT, and from here you have to go to story trends, which is at highlights. Don't go to my stories because they will expire in only 24 hours. So if you go to story trends, as you can see, I only have a few stories, and now you can go at the end, and here you will find when's your birthday. So right here, if you want to add this picture, which I have in the background, you can go to your Google or your favorite browser and search for your birthday. As you can see, my birthday is on 23rd October, and if your birthday is on 5th June, you have to search for 5th June and then click on the search bar, and then you go to images and you will find this type of images. So yeah, you can go to add yours button, click on add yours, and then from here you have to click to upload. Once you got that background with your birthday or with the calendar, go to upload and then choose your photo. I will make this photo a little bit smaller and make the sticker bigger. So this is what you have to do, and then click on send to, share to your story, and then click done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.